Hello guys, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, the Sen twins are a talented pair who certainly know how to keep Mzansi guessing. They once trended when fans speculated to tell which one plays Thoko on Skeem Saam. Innocent Siddiqui plays Thoko, but it was impossible to tell the difference when she pictured herself with her sister Millicent Mashile. Today, the twins guys shared to their social media platform that they are pregnant. Then the guessing game started. Who is actually pregnant between the two? And guys, I watched their YouTube video and I'm still confused who is pregnant, but I guess time will tell. The twins are actually co-parenting their children. That's why they announced that they are pregnant. Out of my curiosity, I wonder if their children know how to differentiate the two. Anyway, congratulations to them. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.